Hello viewers, in today's video I will show you how you can install Xposed framework on Huawei Mate 8 running latest version of Nougat, which is B594 for my region. So the first thing is your phone should be rooted with the Magisk, and then you need to install the Xposed installer on your phone. Once you have installed the Xposed installer, then you need to open the Magisk manager. In Magisk manager, from menu you need to tap on download, and in download you need to search for Xposed, and the SDK24 version you need to use because it is compatible with Nougat. Just download it, don't install it. Press download and again press on the download option, don't press on install option. Once this get downloaded, you need to move this file to your external SD card. This should be downloaded in Magisk Manager folder on your device. I will show you how to do it. File has been downloaded. And now I will move it from internal storage to external storage. As you can see, this is the zip file. You need to move this file to your SD card. You can copy it in any folder of your SD card, and then switch off your phone and enter TWRP recovery mode. Once your phone is in TWRP mode, tap on install, and then tap on select storage and choose external SD storage, which is your SD card. On your SD card you need to find that file, which is that zip Xposed framework zip file. Select this file and swipe to flash. Once the flashing process complete, you can simply reboot your device, and after reboot you will see that Xposed framework will be available on your device. Okay, phone just booted up. Now I will check if Xposed has been installed successfully. Just open the Xposed installer. Okay, it is showing you warning, and here you can see Xposed framework has been successfully installed, and now you can download and install modules you want to use with this Xposed framework. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.